We live in a remarkable era. Machines are no longer just tools, they are becoming intelligent partners. This is the age of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming our world in countless ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already making its mark. The possibilities of AI are limitless. As we continue to develop ever more sophisticated AI systems, we can expect even more profound changes in the years to come. It is an exciting time to be alive. The future of AI is bright, and it is up to us to shape it responsibly. The journey of AI has just begun. Let us explore the fascinating world of AI and its potential to revolutionize our lives. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. AI systems are designed to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions. One widely accepted definition of AI comes from Stanford University. It defines AI as the science of making machines smart. This means creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI encompasses a wide range of techniques and technologies. These include machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These technologies enable machines to understand, interpret, and respond to complex information. As AI technology continues to advance, it is blurring the lines between human and machine capabilities. This raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence and the future of our species. In many areas, AI has already surpassed human capabilities. AI systems can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. This allows them to identify patterns and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. One striking example is AlphaGo. This AI program defeated the world champion Go player in 2016. Go is an ancient Chinese board game. It is known for its complexity and strategic depth. AlphaGo's victory was a watershed moment in the history of AI. Deep learning is a powerful type of AI. It involves training artificial neural networks. These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms excel at tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation. AI's ability to outperform humans in certain domains has significant implications. It is transforming industries, accelerating scientific discovery, and challenging our understanding of intelligence itself. One of the most profound impacts of AI is automation. AI-powered systems can automate a wide range of tasks. This includes repetitive, mundane tasks as well as complex cognitive tasks. In manufacturing, robots are being used to assemble products, inspect for defects, and manage inventory. This increases efficiency, reduces costs, and improves product quality. In the financial industry, AI algorithms are used to detect fraud, assess credit risk, and provide personalized financial advice. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service interactions. They provide instant support, answer questions, and resolve issues quickly. As AI technology advances, we can expect to see even greater levels of automation in various sectors. This will have a profound impact on the job market. It will also raise important questions about the future of work. Section 5. Intelligence. Not just a human trait, intelligence is not limited to humans. Animals also exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities. From the problem-solving skills of crows to the complex communication of dolphins, the animal kingdom is teeming with examples of intelligence. Chimpanzees, for instance, have been observed using tools. They use sticks to extract termites from mounds and stones to crack open nuts. This demonstrates their ability to learn, adapt, and solve problems. Honeybees exhibit remarkable navigational and communication skills. They perform intricate dances to communicate the location of food sources to other bees in the hive. These examples highlight the diversity of intelligence in nature. They also challenge our anthropocentric view of intelligence. As we develop increasingly sophisticated AI systems, it is essential to broaden our understanding of intelligence beyond the human perspective. Section 6. Machine Learning Unveiling the Power of Data. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. It focuses on enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of being programmed with specific rules, ML algorithms learn patterns and make predictions based on the data they are trained on. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize cats in pictures. Instead of writing code that defines the characteristics of a cat, you would provide the ML algorithm with a vast data set of cat images. The algorithm would then automatically learn the features that distinguish cats from other animals. This data-driven approach is what sets ML apart from traditional programming. It allows AI systems to adapt to new situations, improve their performance over time, and make predictions about unseen data. ML is the driving force behind many AI applications we use today. These include recommendation systems, spam filters, and voice assistants. Section 7. The building blocks of machine learning. There are several key elements involved in building and deploying ML models. Data ML algorithms rely on large data sets to learn patterns and make accurate predictions. Features. These are the relevant variables or attributes extracted from the data that the ML algorithm will use to learn. Model selection. Choosing the appropriate ML algorithm for the task at hand is crucial. Training. This involves feeding the selected ML algorithm with the training data to learn the desired patterns. Evaluation. Evaluating the performance of the trained ML model on a separate data set ensures its effectiveness. Deployment. Once the ML model meets the desired performance criteria, it can be deployed to make predictions on new, unseen data. Maintenance. Monitoring the ML model's performance over time and retraining it with new data is essential to ensure its accuracy and relevance. These steps form the foundation of developing and implementing ML solutions. Each step requires careful consideration and expertise to ensure the success of the ML project. Section 8. Different ways machines learn. Machine learning algorithms can be broadly categorized into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. The algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset. This means that the desired output for each input is provided. The goal is to learn a mapping from inputs to outputs. Examples include image classification and spam detection. Unsupervised learning. The algorithm is trained on an unlabeled dataset. The goal is to discover hidden patterns or structures in the data. Examples include clustering similar customers and identifying anomalies in financial transactions. Reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns through trial and error. It interacts with an environment and receives rewards or penalties for its actions. The goal is to learn a policy that maximizes its cumulative reward. Examples include game playing and robot control. Each type of machine learning has its strengths and weaknesses. They are suited for different kinds of tasks. Understanding these differences is key to selecting the right machine learning approach for a given problem. Section 9. Machine learning in action transforming industries. Machine learning is revolutionizing industries across the board. Here are some notable examples. Healthcare. Machine learning algorithms are improving disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Retail recommender systems personalize shopping experiences. They suggest products based on past purchases and browsing history. Fraud detection algorithms prevent fraudulent transactions. Finance AI-powered systems are used for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and credit risk assessment. Cybersecurity machine learning algorithms detect and prevent cyber threats by analyzing network traffic and identifying suspicious patterns. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is transforming our world. As machine learning technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge in the future. Section 10. Navigating the challenges of AI. Despite its immense potential, AI also presents significant challenges. These challenges must be addressed to ensure its responsible and beneficial development. Data quality. Machine learning algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. Biased or incomplete data can lead to inaccurate or unfair predictions. Model performance. Ensuring that AI systems perform reliably and consistently in real-world settings is crucial. Interpretability. Understanding how and why AI systems make certain decisions is essential for building trust and accountability. Computational costs. Training complex AI models can require significant computational resources, raising concerns about energy consumption and environmental impact. Ethical considerations. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it is important to address ethical concerns related to bias, privacy, and job displacement. Navigating these challenges requires collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders. We need to develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of humanity. Section 11. The future of AI, a transformative journey. AI is already transforming our world, and its impact is only going to grow in the years to come. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will continue to reshape industries, accelerate scientific discovery, and challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. The future of AI is full of possibilities, but it is also fraught with challenges. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. By embracing the power of AI while addressing its challenges, we can create a future where humans and machines coexist and collaborate to build a better world for all.